powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. So I'm looking at these two grills, the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner and the Weber Spirit E-425. What's the deal?
All right, let's break it down. The Nexgrill is significantly cheaper, like around $265 compared to the Weber's $599.
Wow, big difference. What am I giving up for that price cut?
Well, for starters, size. The Nexgrill has a 401 SQ in cooking area, while the Weber boasts 428. It's not a massive difference, but still something to consider if you cook for a crowd.
Okay, so slightly smaller cooking space. Anything else?
Definitely. The Weber has 4 burners compared to the Nexgrill's 2, plus Weber's got these boost burners in the sear zone that crank up the heat by 40%. From the looks of it, you'll be able to cook more at once and sear faster.
Sear zone sounds fancy. What about the power?
The Nexgrill puts out 28,000 BTUs, but Weber doesn't list the BTU. However, Weber emphasizes the precise, consistent heat of the burners, so it's possibly more about heat distribution and efficiency than raw power.
Interesting. What about build quality and features?
The Nexgrill uses porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are good for heat retention and easy cleaning. The Weber uses porcelain-enameled cast iron grates. The Weber is also compatible with Weber-crafted grillware, meaning you can swap in pizza ovens, woks, and other accessories.
Okay, so Weber seems to be pushing the modularity angle, and the Nexgrill is more straightforward. What about convenience features?
Both have side tables, though the Nexgrills fold down for storage. The Weber has WeberWorks side rails to attach accessories. Both also have electric ignition and a thermometer in the lid. The Weber has a grease management system with a removable tray for easy cleanup.
And what about reliability? I mean, Weber's a big name, right?
Yeah, Weber has a 10-year limited warranty. The Nexgrill's a bit of a gamble. While the reviews are generally positive, it seems like some people have had issues with missing parts. And, there's no warranty listed.
So Weber's the safer bet. More features, but a hefty price tag. The Nexgrill is budget-friendly but might lack some of the bells and whistles and long-term reliability.
Exactly. It boils down to what you value most.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.